Hello everyone, this is I make my code in Java. The first thing to do is we need to put import java.util.scanner. And the next one we need to put this one. Oy, this one. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. Then next we need to do display the menu and price. This this the price and this is how you put the customer's name, user's name, and this is AD is this help the user choose an option. This one is as for the customer's name, user need to enter their order choice A to D to uppercase. Ensure lowercase input like A still work. And this char, make sure only the first character read. User need to enter how many they want. This one, enter the quantity. And enter the quantity. And next we need to set the price and item and the condition. It based in if else like this. Yan. And the next one is double the total price is equal, we need to do is double the total price and is multiply price times quantity. And we need to print the total amount of order.